friends, it's Running Kimono. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of January the 16th to the 22nd. Lots of fantastic deals in this flyer, so really looking forward to this week. If you go to your digital coupons folder, there are little boosters. I'll tell you guys a little secret. The one account where I've been getting like 10 back when you spend 50, I haven't done much with that in the last 2 weeks, and the boosters have stopped. My other account where I get these smaller ones, they're still popping. So it's always your mileage may vary. A couple rules, they are of a one-time use, and yes, they do stack with a paper booster that comes out of the Catalina machine, one paper, one digital. If you wish to use manufacturer coupons with this or manufacturer register rewards, both of those works. For the balance, use your debit card, credit card, or bills. Do not use Walgreens cash or store register rewards or it will mess things up. First deal we're going to talk about is with the SOFTSOAP body wash. Buy 2 of these, get back $5 in Walgreens cash, and we're going to have a little dollar digital coupon. So grabbing 2 for $7.98, subtracting that digital that's going to show up on Sunday morning, you're paying $6.98 out of pocket, getting back $5 in Walgreens cash, making it $1.98 for the 2 or 99 cents per body wash. If you wish to use some Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, absolutely go for it. Now, if you might have one of these kicking around and you're like, I would like to use this for that SOFTSOAP deal. Well, the answer to this is yes. So here's how you would do it. Grab 2 of them for $7.98, subtracting the dollar digital, along with one $4 store register reward. You're paying $2.98, getting back $5 in Walgreens cash. And if you want to use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, that's fine because this is a buy scenario, but a super smart flip if you're doing this deal on its own. The next deal that we have is with the SOFTSOAP hand soap. 7.5 ounces are in fact included that are $1.99. So here is the dealio for this one. We're going to grab 4 of these for $5.97, subtracting the 75-cent digital that's showing up on Sunday morning. You're paying $5.22, getting back $4 in Walgreens cash, making it $1.22 for the 4 or 30 cents per hand soap. If you want to use some Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, absolutely go for it. Okay, this deal is back. Purchasing two of these, you're going to get back a $4 store register reward. And there's going to be a $1 digital for both the brush and the paste. And this is what the brush coupon looks like. There it is in all of its glory. So please make sure you have this one loaded. So we're going to be looking for 2 $3 toothbrushes on Sunday. If you go over to your IBOTTA account, there's $1 back for these Oral-B brushes. So make sure that you have this rebate because it makes it a very small money maker. Double, triple check this rebate is there pour vous. Okay, so grabbing 2 of those brushes, it's $6 on the nose. Subtracting that one digital, you're paying $5 out of pocket, getting back a $4 store register reward, $1 back each from IBOTTA, making this free plus a $1 money maker. To answer a quick question, if you wanted to use another $4 store register reward, say you got last week for another deal, you can't use it on this promotion because the second one will not print. So if you might have been so lucky to get this, let's throw together a couple of the last deals that we were looking at to get a lot of stuff for free. So we're going to need this guy loaded to our store card. So we're going to grab 2 of the SOFTSOAP body washes for $7.98, 4 of the SOFTSOAP hand soaps for $5.97, and then 2 Oral-B brushes at $3 a pop for $6, and then 1 candy for 33 cents. Well, the total here is $20.28, thus we needed that little candy. We're going to have our booster loaded. We have $2.75 of digitals. You're going to pay $17.53 with your debit card, get back $14 in Walgreens cash for the booster and the SOFTSOAP promotions, and then $4 back for the toothbrushes, and then $1 back each from IBOTTA for those toothbrushes as well, making this free plus a $2.47 moneymaker. As we're using that booster, do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards or it will mess up your balance. Okay, so now a freebie on some Colgate toothpaste. They're $3.99, and when you purchase 2, you're getting back a $4 register reward, and there's a 4 off of 2 digital coupon. So how nice is that? So looking at the math for this one, grabbing 2 for $7.98, subtracting that 4 off of 2 digital, you're paying $3.98 out of pocket, getting back $4 in Walgreens cash, making this free. And if you want to use some Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, you can use it to earn it. You can flip it. It's perfectly fine if you're doing this deal on its own. Now, to answer a quick question, why did I put the Oral-B deal instead of this Colgate? Because it would have been an easier deal. This is $4 back for the Colgate toothpaste, and Colgate and SOFTSOAP are of the same company, so I think they might be on the same promotion because it's Get Back 4. We're going to have to read the tags on Sunday morning, but since we don't have a time machine to jump into the future, I'm just going to say pick one or the other, and thus it's a better deal just to go with the Oral-B. Just so you don't do like two deals that are exactly the same and only get back one promotion, because that really stinks. Okay, the next deal that we have is on some very inexpensive Palmolive dish soap, and these are the 20 ounces, so they are not playing around with this. There's going to be a 50-cent digital, $3 of Walgreens cash when you buy two. We're going to throw in one of these store register rewards, and I'm sure you might have one kicking around. Grabbing two of them for $5.98, subtracting that 50-cent digital, one $4 store register reward, you're paying $1.48, getting back $3 in Walgreens cash. Super smart deal, and if you want to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, absolutely go for it. The little gain deal that we have now, they're 2 for $10, and we have a 2 off of 2 digital coupon, so please make sure you have that guy loaded. If you might have one of these $4 store register rewards, let's throw it into this deal. Grabbing two of the flings for $10, subtracting that 2 off of 2 digital, one $4 store register reward. I would also throw in $4 of Walgreens cash and pay down the tax and get a lot of gain for very little out of pocket. It's just a smart flip, I think. Our friend Ajax is back. They are 3 for $4, usually $1.99 for one, so I guess that stuff must be made out of gold or something. Again, if you might have this little guy, if you really are a new couponer and you want to build some detergent in your stockpile, this is a really good deal. And the sensitive one isn't too bad either. Grabbing 3 for $4, use that $4 store register reward or $4 in Walgreens cash if you wish, and you're paying down the tax. A super smart deal. Okay, this is back, $3.49 for the All or Snuggle. You choose. We're going to have a $1.50 digital coupon starting on Sunday morning, dropping this down to $1.99. I really love the All Pods. They are fantastic. I think it's quite comparable to the Tide Simply Free Pods, but a really great detergent product. Okay, back to some paper. We have a BOGO 50% off for the Scott and Kleenex. If you might have used all of your digital coupons last weekend, hey, guess what? If you go to coupons.com, there are $1 back for both the Scott toilet paper and the paper towel. So make sure you have both of these loaded. They're valid till the 22nd. Here's the deal for you. Grabbing 2 Scott products, a paper towel and a toilet paper, that's $7.50. You'll pay that out of pocket, then make a $2 submission to coupons.com, one for the paper, one for the toilet paper. So it makes it $5.50 for the two. And let's not forget to use the Fetch Rewards app. Take a quick photo. You'll get some points back for that. They have a bigger progressive spend 25, get back 5, which is really great. Now, if you are submitting to coupons.com, make sure you have a balance, because if your balance is 0.00, sometimes they don't acknowledge that, just to note that. Another deal of the week is with the Head & Shoulders 2 for $12. We have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon, and you get back a $4 store register reward when you buy 2 of these magical products. So grabbing 2 of them for $12 on the nose, subtracting that 3 off of 2 digital, you're paying $9, getting back a $4 store register reward, making it $5 for the 2 or $2.50 each. And don't use a $4 store register reward to pay for this or to throw it into the deal, because the second one will not print. But it is okay if you want to use a bit of Walgreens cash to pay down the balance for this little deal. So for newer couponers, I think this is a very good deal. 4 for $9 for all of these products. And you don't need to buy one of each. If you want to get 4 dryer sheets, you can do that, or one of each, or like all the Unstoppables, whatever you want to do, but grab 4 of these products. If you have one of these, why not throw it into the mix to get some of these products really inexpensive? I think that's super uber smart. Grabbing 4, get a mix of Downy and Tide for $9, subtracting a $4 store register reward, along with $5 of Walgreens cash. You're paying down the tax. This is a super smart deal. And if you're a newer couponer looking to build your stockpile, this will get you there really quickly. Okay, last deal is a little Puffs one for $5.99. We have a $1 digital coupon. I know some people swear by this brand over Kleenex, so here's one for you. Grabbing one of these Puffs for $5.99, subtracting a $5 digital, throw in $5 of Walgreens cash, you're paying tax. If you want to use a store register reward, that also works. Okay, let's talk about some quick honorable mentions. The first one I want to talk about is the Freebie Guy released this information that the Christmas quarter sale over at the Dollar General will be taking place next Tuesday, which is the 18th. I made a very decisive video on what to look out for. The date was the only thing that we weren't sure about, so the date is the 18th. And like, look at this one store, guys. Look at all that stuff they had. It is on next Tuesday. Now, over at Walgreens, their clearance, the big one, started on Thursday. I'm very sure that a lot of stores will start packing up on Sunday and Monday and sending everything back to head office. So on Saturday or Sunday, if you want to look through the Christmas stuff, that might be your last chance to get stuff inexpensive. Some stores went right up to 90. A lot of stores are still at 60. It's a weird clearance event. Okay, so over at Walgreens, there's still a lot of candy that's popping up really cheap, like these Hershey almond bars for 39 cents. Use a store register reward, you probably can get the whole tray of that. The king size of the duos, lots of king size candy bars, like really super inexpensive. So if you have a sweet tooth, this might be the place to look for, in the candy aisle for some of these goods, because yeah, a lot of cheap candy. Now, if this deal, there's a lot of this on clearance. I'm wondering if that $4 store register reward will print when you buy 2 of these secret deodorants. We'll have to wait and see. Somebody will have to test that out. Unfortunately, I bought so much clearance deodorant, I don't even have the digital left, but we'll have to wait and see. And then the Almay, also a lot of this is also on clearance. And then there's a 4-back when you spend 10. These haven't been printing for the last couple weeks, but maybe something might change on Sunday. We'll have to wait and see, and I'll report back to you guys. The Toms of Maine deodorant, $3 of Walgreens cash when you buy 2. This stuff is usually like $5.99, $6.99. So maybe if some very generous digital coupons pop up, maybe we might have a deal. Maybe not. We'll just have to wait and see. And then food, those nice premium pizzas, a lot of people are saying it's like chef's kiss is really good. A lot of inexpensive food. Food prices have gone through the roof. So use some Walgreens cash or store register rewards to get some of these treats on the cheap. And that bacon, 2 for $10. If you're a keto dieter, I don't think that is the worst deal. And the value meds, 4 for 24 cents. So they are practically giving this stuff away. It usually is 2 for 24. So is this a typo, or is this going to be a deal starting on Sunday? We'll have to wait and see. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.